caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
Hello everyone, this is Eric back again with Auto Replay. I appreciate the subscribers. We have actually hit 1,000 and we just got monetized, so I'm gonna go ahead and start bringing back some videos and making sure to bring in some more content. So think about that. Y'all got anything to comment, anything you'd like to see, just let me know. But I want to show you this 2019 Chevy Equinox that we bought, and basically it's time to replace the cabin air filter. It has about 26,000 miles on it right now. Just took it to the Chevy dealership. It's got its oil change done. They did a basic preventive maintenance, and I believe the tires will probably need to be replaced here soon. But let's get into it. All right, so the part number that I got, this is from Advance, is a CarQuest. It's a cabin air filter. Part number is a R93960. And basically this air filter goes inside the car. It works just like the engine has an air filter, right, that prevents any particles going in the engine and, you know, destroying the inside of it. So nowadays cars have an internal cabin air filter to filter the air that the heat and air system inside of the car uses, the air that you breathe while the heat's running, the AC's running. So I'm going ahead and replace it. To say about 25,000 miles is recommended to replace this, and we're going to get into it. So from what I found out, on the passenger side here, you open the door and there's your glove box here. You hit this latch. I'm gonna probably zoom it out if I can. You know, you may find it best to go ahead and take all your stuff out of here. I was kind of cleaning the car, getting ready for things, because we're about to go take a trip up to the mountains, man. And there's the dealership that I use here, Dale Earnhardt. I do recommend them in Tallahassee. And if you look, there are two little, I guess, points. It's like one here and there's another one here. Y'all can see that. That's on that side. I believe what you do, you kind of just push those in, and this whole glove box would, you know, fold down. And the cabin air filter is actually behind here, okay? It's I think it's in the portion that slides out of the compartment. So we're going to take a look at it. I may end up, you know, taking this part off of it too. Let me take a look at it, see what it's going to take. Looks like there's just that one there, and then yeah, just kind of holding it in place. So basically you can get something to squeeze that right there, and this will pop off. It seems like that's probably part of the suspension lever, you know, to help it fold down. So we definitely don't want to break that. Oh, I got some bad sun glare coming in. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off, then we'll push these two in and we'll rotate this down and we'll slide that compartment out. Okay, so I was able to basically just take my fingers and push that together and slide this portion off. It goes this way, it slides that way. So, you know, now that's loose there, because I'm pretty sure that only extends out a certain point. You know what I mean? Yeah, I need to watch the sun here. I need to hit it a little lower. So, you know, that sends out a certain point there. And so let me go ahead and see about how to get this portion out here, what we need to do. Okay, so I was able to push in on the sides with both hands, and now this folds down. And there's your filter access door here. And it looks like it's not screwed in. It looks like there's a clip there and there's a clip on this side. So you should be able to unclip it here and then unclip it here. And this access door, let's see what it does. Does it fold up or does it come out? Looks like it folds up to me. And there's the made in China one. So this is the old one that they recommend getting replaced. So I'm gonna grab this and pull it out, then we'll get the new one and make sure that it matches up to the old one before we try to stick it in there, okay? So I was able to kind of get my thumb underneath and give it a slight tug to get it loose. And, you know, obviously with two hands is easier. Looks like somebody just put this in here. 421.22. So this was just replaced. So I'm gonna leave that sucker in there. I mean, I guess we could expect it just for poops and giggles. So I don't know, maybe the dealership charged me for this? No. Maybe, okay. The dealership that I bought this from already replaced this. It's kind of dirty looking though. Y'all can see that. But this was just replaced. But so we're gonna probably let that sit in there for a little longer. So that's good, man. Dimmitt Chevrolet in Tampa and Clearwater, Florida, man. I give y'all a thumbs up, man. Y'all actually replaced that before I bought it. I mean, this is a certified vehicle. They took the time out to go through this and make sure that it was 100% and even mark it. That is amazing. I definitely give them kudos for that. So we're gonna just go ahead and pop all this back in place. You know, that just pops in there, and then we're gonna slide this lever back on, and then we'll close this up here. So, I mean, that's how you would replace it. I mean, now I could probably just take that filter back and actually get that means that the engine air filter is probably done too. Probably don't need to worry about that. Put all this back in place. So that's a short video how you can actually replace the cabin air filter in your 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. This is a LS version. I'm pretty sure that LT is probably similar. So I appreciate y'all take a look at the video. We'll go from there.